Machine can adjust interface in both Chinese and English. Main features include sound on loft settings. Adjustable stringing speed with level 1 to level 5. Level 1 is the slowest. Level 5 is the fastest. Can set for pre-stretch values 5%, 10%, 15%, and 20%. It also supports for knot tension increases 5% point 10% point 15% point to 0%. In addition, it can store for commonly used tension settings. One-touch switching, easy to operate.